Okay, that's my setup. And to say the truth, I made that and I was not confident, as I'm not still. But anyhow, I'm gonna start a 1 horsepower motor and a flywheel, some sheaves, some pulleys, and 7.5 kilowatt generator. And that, just temporary stuff. I put some capacitors, the 80 microfarad capacitors. So we're gonna start. Take a little bit longer to get the voltage. Vibrating. It's a big flywheel. Still speeding up. So I'm feeding the system on the grid. Now I'm gonna reverse, connect the generator straight to the motor. Guess what? Doesn't work. I mean, I still need to take care about the frequency. Instead 60 hertz in the generator. I have some loss, so I'm getting 58. But anyhow, it's a test that was made, and I'm gonna disassemble that, before my wife comes.